Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 24th of November, 2022. We are here to speak on Litecoin. You guys can see that the coin has recently pumped. So I wanted to come in and speak to each and every one of you, show you what I think the price is going to do now. Now, obviously, you guys can see I already had a price prediction on the chart, looking for Litecoin to do just that, to go higher. So from right here, on September the 23rd, 2022, I did a video, predicted that price in Litecoin was going to go higher. And you guys can see that for the majority duration of this price prediction, the market in Litecoin just traded sideways, right? And it took us until November the 2nd before we saw that ultimate TP price come and play out. Right there, 15%. Now, let's say you're still into the play right now. You guys could go ahead and exit out the position today and be up 48.25% right now. That's why it's so important for us to be in tune with the market. Nothing else matters. The market is the only thing that matters in this space. So I wanted you all to see how the price progression in Litecoin was traded within this trading range ever since June, right? And now finally, the market in Litecoin has broken outside of this trading channel. So things has changed. The market sentiment has changed in Litecoin, which is pretty good because that change represents bullishness, meaning that the buyers are controlling the market action in Litecoin as of this particular moment. So the first thing we need to do is we need to change up the market sentiment and simply pay attention to what the market is doing. So right now, the market in Litecoin is in an uptrend. We all can see it. Everything is fantastic. Our presumption is that price is going to continue to go higher, but how high? So we need to zoom out of this price chart because you can see on yesterday's trading day in Litecoin that the market action got rejected here. Okay, so let's go ahead and zoom in. And let's create the first area that price got rejected in Litecoin and just simply extend it. So you guys can see the price in Litecoin didn't hit a high of yesterday until like May. So the price in Litecoin wasn't trading around $84 since May of this year. It's been that long. So as we continue to see this market trend higher, we already can see two areas that we need to be on the lookout for. The first one is this portion of this ascending line. We need to make sure that buyers continue to buy Litecoin alongside this ascending line. If anything, this $84 level is where we are looking for the sellers to come in and try to push down the price in Litecoin. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this on a different time frame because we want to know what is the opportunity. Where is the opportunity? Is the opportunity still to look for Litecoin to go higher, or are we going to look for the price to go down? So this is Litecoin right here on the 2-day chart. You guys can see obviously on this current 2-day price bar, which we all need to expect. Once you see a market run so high, so fast, people will obviously be coming in taking profit. That is what we're seeing right now on this current 2-day price bar in Litecoin. You can see it even here on the 3-day. Okay, so we're starting out on a new 3-day price bar. And like I'm trying to tell you all now, we need to see how low price is going to go. And I'm looking at this area right here. Okay. I will say around $75 to $70. Okay, those are the areas that we need to be looking for buyers to prop up the price in Litecoin. That is $75. Let's just do 74 to 70. Okay, 74 to 70. Looking at this on the 5-day time frame, it looks pretty decent. I just think right now it's just a wait and see period to see how low the price is going to be able to go before the buyers step in. But currently the trend is still intact, meaning that price hasn't broken this trend line. So we're still generally from a broad spectrum looking for Litecoin to continue to go higher. But when you try to zoom in a little bit closer, we need to wait and see until we get that confirmation that buyers are still here in the market. So let me show you all this on the 1-hour chart. Okay, so you guys can pretty much see what's been going on in the market action in Litecoin. It's not going higher right now. And matter of fact, the market is making lower highs. Okay, we're making lower highs into the market in Litecoin, which is something that we need to keep our eyes open on. Which is why I'm trying to condition you all and try to show you how we need to be standing the sideline until we get more confirmation of buyers coming in. Okay. So as of right now, I'm not going to drop a price prediction right now, but I just simply wanted to come in and show you that yes, Litecoin has broken out of that trading range for one. 2, the trend is still intact, meaning that price is still generally looking to go higher. And 3, as an entry point, I'm not going to put one on the chart yet because I want to see the buyers confirm to me first that they're still here in the market. I would say right here around 74 to 70. Okay. This is where I'm looking for them to show up. If they do, then we already know that the price is going to continue to go higher in the midterm. I would say maybe on a weekly basis, monthly basis. Let's go ahead and look at the monthly chart first. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the monthly chart real quick. So this is Litecoin on the monthly chart, and again, it looks decent. The volume definitely came through for the month of November. We have 6 more days and 12 hours left. I definitely want us to see how the market concludes for the month of November, because my next price target is going to be around $94. Well, I would say 90 all the way up there to 94. That would be my next price target from a monthly time frame perspective. Okay. So now back to that. Let's do this on the 1 hour chart. Let's look at this on the 3. So again, I really want us to see the buyers first. I'm not too convinced that they're here yet, that they're still willing to open up their wallets and purchase this cryptocurrency at these levels. I don't see it on the chart yet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna stand by. But as always, the comment section is open. You guys can go ahead and drop me your price prediction as to how you're looking for the price action into the market in Litecoin. For my prediction though, let me tell you what my expectation is. My expectation is for price to continue to go higher right now. But first, for an entry, I'm looking for the market to probably run down to like 74, no lower than 70 for us to try to grab in and see the market continue to trend higher. That's my prediction. But first, we need to see that happen. If it doesn't happen, then the market in Litecoin will do something like this. Okay, you guys can see how we could come down and then we can fall back down and break that trend line. So that is why I'm not dropping the price prediction as of yet. But you can, like I said, the comment section is open. You guys can leave a comment and tell me your price prediction in Litecoin. But this is the opportunity. This is the time frame as to when I will come in and show you all my expectations. It hasn't played out yet. And if it hasn't played out, then we don't need to come in and act. But that's what I'm looking forward to. So now, give me your thoughts. Hit that like button. Share the video. Also subscribe here to the channel in Litecoin. Subscribe to the channel so you guys can get more of this content of simplicity, of ease, and understanding how the market works. Make sure you join me. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.